Okay, the old packy holder. So first thing we want to do, like I said, is do our 14 1/4 by our 10 1/4. So we'll do our 14 1/4. 14 1/4. 14 1/4. Let me grab my bench snips here. And I like to make these out of 24 gauge as well because a lot sturdier, a lot more pro looking. Then we're going to do our 10 1/4. I need to make a few more of these anyway because I was down to only a couple. My 10 1/4. I'm going to show you how I make these from scratch if you didn't have a template. So you can make your first template. Okay, 14 1/4 by 10 1/4. That's the first step.